everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're solving another quick and easy word problem. This time about percentage change in salary. So we're going to use the formula to calculate the percentage increase, which is new value minus original value divided by the original value times 100%. In this problem, let's say someone gets a salary increase. How do we figure out the percentage of that raise? Today, we're solving a simple yet practical math problem about salary change. Now, here's the problem. The monthly salary of Miss Ivana changed from 10,500 to 11,235 pesos. The question is, what is the percentage change in her salary? So Miss Ivana's monthly salary went from 10,500 to 11,235 pesos. So let's find out by what percentage her salary increased. To solve the problem, we'll use this percentage increase formula. Again, the formula is new value minus original value divided by the original value times 100%. So the first step is to identify the given. We have the original amount or the original value and the new value. So again, the original value from the problem is the original salary and the new value is the new salary. The original salary of Miss Ivana is 10,500, while the new value or new salary is 11,235 pesos. Since we already know the given values, let's substitute the known values into the formula to find the answer. We have the new value, which is 11,235 pesos, minus the original value, which is 10,500 pesos, divided by the original value, which is 10,500 pesos times 100%. Next, 11,235 pesos minus 10,500 pesos is 735 pesos. 735 pesos is the increase. Next, divided by the original value, we have 10,500 pesos times 100%. Next, let's divide 735 pesos divided by 10,500 pesos times 100% is 0.07. To get the percentage, we multiply it by 100%. So 0.07 times 100% is 7%. So the percentage change in Miss Ivana's salary is 7%. This means that her new salary is 7% higher than her old salary. So she got a raise or increase in her monthly pay. So that means her salary increased by 7%, which is 735 pesos. So that is how to compute the percentage salary. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you. If you learned something new today, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for more math video lessons. And let me know in the comments what kind of math problems do you want me to solve next. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing, and thank you for watching.